everybody. This is H to the best. And today I'm talking about too many products. Like people be wearing too many products, stuff like that. Like put too many products in your hair and stuff like that. It's really not good because it's not good. Like all the products in your hair is not really good to put in your hair. And I'm just gonna explain to y'all like if you put too many products on your face, it might make your face not like right. So you might want to watch when you put products in your hair and stuff like that because it can mess up your hair. I'm just gonna explain to you about this video. So y'all should comment, subscribe, like my video, tell me what you think about products. And yeah, just like putting too many products. If you have like one product, that's okay. But if you have like all these products that you put in your hair and it's really not good for you, you should stop doing it because it's really not good for your hair. And it just explain to y'all, like you gonna have all these products and all your hair is just gonna fall off, and you ain't gonna have no hair on your head. So it's really not good for you. You have all these products in your head, all your hair is just gonna fall out. You can be bald. You can be baldless. You ain't gonna have no hair in your head. You're just gonna be bald. And that's really just not right. So just let me explain to you about this video and how you should wear it. Now, you feel like one product is good for your hair, but too many products is really not good for you. So just let me explain to you about this video, and you should have all them products in your hair because it's gonna make your hair fall out. It's gonna make your hair, yeah. There's too many products. It's gonna mess up your hair, and like if you put too many products on your face might not be right. So you know what I'm saying? It's gonna get messed up. So yeah, you want to watch out how many products you put in your hair. Make sure you keep your hair, wash your hair. Just put one product and that's good. So yeah, just put one product in your hair. That's all you need. You don't need all these products in your hair to put like dry and all that. But all you need is one product in your hair. That's all you need. Because you have all these products in your hair, it's gonna make your hair fall out. You just gonna be, it's not gonna be good for you. So just let me explain to you about this video and how I think about it. So yeah, too many products in your hair is not good for you. So comment, subscribe, like my videos. Tell me what you're thinking about products in your hair. And pretty much that's about it. But yeah, watch what you put in your hair, and basically that's about it. So don't put too many products. And that's all you gotta do. Not that many products. But this is H to the best, and I am out.